Welcome to the new Hefty Shrink Pak family. Take a seat and learn about our innovative storage solutions featuring the newest technology in vacuum storage. We have bags, we have cubes, there's hanging bags, travel bags, we even have combo packs. I know, you're probably thinking to yourself, where can I use said Hefty Shrink Pak? Well, you can use Hefty Shrink Pak for moving, save space in dorm rooms, change out seasonal wardrobes, winter comforters, extra blankets, summer sheets. You can shrink almost anything. Watch how simple it is to use our new Hefty Shrink Pak vacuum storage bags. First, pack your bag. But whoa there, partner. Don't go past the fill line or you'll risk maximized compression and space saving. Next, seal your bag using the provided T-slider. Slide it, swipe it twice, and seal it well. The seal should be orange if sealed correctly. Now it's compression time. Once sealed, you can remove the air in two different ways with our new valve. For vacuum users, just plug it in, put the hose over the valve, turn it on, and watch in awe as the bag shrinks down up to 3 times smaller. For any lucky Hefty Shrink Pak Cube users out there, you get shrinkage up to 4 times smaller. No vacuum? No problem! Our new valve allows you to press the air out to compress. Press around the bag to let air out through the one-way valve. That's it! You did it! Now store your Hefty Shrink Pak somewhere out of sight and forget about it until you're ready to unshrink your stuff.